BSc as well as MSc students can do, especially the biotech in the field of biological sciences, how they can grow themselves, how they are able to get towards their goal, towards their objectives can be fulfilled. So all these things will be discussed over here today, and sir has came all the way from Gandhinagar to just meet you all and also to give some of the Savli Technology Business Incubator can help you towards your career. So this thing will be shared by Dr. Anand Badalkar sir. On this point of time, I will also give you some of the highlights about Department of Life Sciences as the whole team of SPVT is sitting over here. Department of Life Sciences has been initiated since 2017, and up till now it has got some of the patents also in last 2 years. And last 2 years we have published about almost 2 to 3 patents, and 2 are in the pipeline. So in future also we will be taking help of STPI now onwards. And also publication wise also department has gained lot of impact factor journal publications in these last 2 to 3 years especially. Department of Life Sciences has also gained some of the eminent projects, that is from BSc, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, SCRT, as well as GSBDM from Guj Coast. All these agencies, national as well as international funding agencies, are also supporting the research funds from different agencies of the world as well as nation to Department of Life Sciences. This session is especially for you people, for the MSc people. As I have mentioned earlier in our informal discussion there, that these students are from botany, zoology and microbiology and environmental science students of PG, that is department. So they have cleared their UG and they are now very much trained that how the things can go on in their biological science. So we will be in our lectures also, in our regular routine theory classes also, we mentioned that it is important to ignite in terms of thinking ability, not only restricted towards the syllabus, because the career can be developed by creating how you are able to think of not only life sciences but also out of the box thinking nowadays are being promoted by such government schemes. So it is very important to think first of all. When think, how can we think? That is also some logical questions. If you ask by your own, then you can realize how to think. Thinking always comes from giving attention. Attention, I am very much sure કે તમે 5 મિનિટ કોઈ પણ એક વસ્તુમાં attentive નહીં થઈ શકો, because we are not taught about those attentiveness. So that attentiveness can be brought by such good schemes, and that attentiveness can lead towards your goal, towards your entrepreneurship. I think about 56% is of employment in this country. Right, the data of 22 or I think 20, it says that 56 to 52% are of employed people. Right? How much about the unemployment? Unemployment but there are capabilities, there are skills, there are possibilities, opportunities which are available, but we are not attentive towards those opportunities. આપણે attentiveness ની જરૂર છે, આપણે થોડી sharpness ની જરૂર છે, થોડા consciousness develop કરવાની જરૂર છે. એ કરશું એટલે ઓટોમેટિક થિંકિંગ એબિલિટી આપણી ડેવલપ થશે. તો એના માટે આજે આપણી પાસે ડોક્ટર આનંદ બડાલકર, he is a joint director, as well as he will guide us towards how much entrepreneurship can play, can grow yourself in your career. So I welcome you, sir, and on behalf of Department of Life Sciences, SSIP, as well as the whole Bhaktipat University, I invite you, sir.
એના પછી બીજા 186 करोड़ और डाला, तो मतलब जो भी है बहुत सारा इन्वेस्टमेंट करके किया है. वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट बायोटेक यूनिवर्सिटी, ओके, इन दी कोलैबोरेशन विद यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एडिनबरा. सो पॉसिबली यू शुड ट्राई विजिट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, गेट इन टच विद देम, try and understand how best can you collaborate, what are the better practices. If there are some, for example, there जो Dolly सुना है नाम? Dolly, again amongst the very few organizations of its own kind. NGS का especially next genome sequencing का तो बहुत अव्वल दर्जे का फैसिलिटी है उधर, जीन से लेकर के, और ये सब they are available at कंसेशनल प्राइसेस फॉर स्टूडेंट्स। तो आपके रिसर्च और आपके चाहे प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए सब डॉक्टर्स को आपको 100 किट्स बांटने हैं। पहले तो मुफ्त देना पड़ेगा ना, तभी जाके टेस्टिंग होगा। तो आपको 5000 किट्स बनाने हैं। कहाँ बनाओगे? कौन बना के देगा? अपने कॉलेज की लैबोरेटरी में ये बनाना संभव नहीं हो पाता है। तो ऐसे स्मॉल स्केल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का काम, जिसको कभी पायलट बोलते हैं, और उसके आगे का काम जो है स्मॉल स्केल बायो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का काम जो है ये इंक्यूबेटर में कर पाते हैं। तो इसके लिए जो देख रहे हैं ये बायो ऐसा बात करता है। सो उसके बाद जो बायोटेक सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक वेंचर फंड, देखो ये वेंचर फंड है फाइनेंस के लोग। इंट्रोडक्शन they talked about a number of things inclusive of employability. So that reminded me of a particular study that we had done in biotechnology mission. Okay. And every year, do you want 2,500 join PhD programs? No. Hardly 35 people at max. 50 people joining PhD program across all different universities in Gujarat. So that leaves with what 1950 अगर 2020 के चलते हैं to be on safer side, not 2500, 2000. So that leaves with 1950 number of students. Okay. Out of that 1950, how many do you think do not seek employment? Very few. Okay. Now out of this 195, barriers in smaller companies and so on and so forth. What does the employment come to? Do you think roughly problems તો બધે જ છે, બધા જ ફીલ્ડ્સમાં છે, maybe education, maybe अभी आप किसी अपार्टमेंट में रहते हो, okay, there are some senior citizens there. सुबह दादा दूध लेवा गया था कोई जगह, नो, if there is some remunerative mechanism, आप बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा मांग लिए, तो भी लंबा नहीं चलेगा, तो एक आध बार कर लेते। फिर मान लो कि रिक्शा से आपको, आप कहाँ भी रहते हो, उधर से यहाँ पर आने के लिए एक दिन किसी ने रिक्शा से आ गया 1500 रुपया कुछ उसने मांग लिया, एक दिन चलो पूरा कर लो, दूसरे दिन से। तो ये सोल्यूशन इवेंचुअली हमको प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन देना इंपॉर्टेंट है, और वो सोल्यूशन वर्केबल, टेक्नो इकोनॉमिकली फीजिबल और ऐसा होना जरूरी है। तो अगर हम सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर्स बन पाते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ ओनली जॉब सीकर्स, तो अपने आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होता है। तो आज इंडस का प्रॉब्लम है, इंडस के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए अगर आप सक्षम हैं, what I have done is आगे कुछ स्लाइड्स आपको एक क्रॉस पिक्चर देने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, और फिर बाद में मैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए क्या क्या प्रोविजन है उसकी बात करूँ। ओके, सो a lot of you would know of GSBTM as Gujarat State Biotechnology Mission, okay, which was born in 2004, and between 2017 to 2019 or roughly 2020, okay, after 15 years that it was born, 3 new organizations were created, which is GBU, GBRC and STPR. Okay, so I think जो बनेंगे उसमें बिजनेस मॉडलिंग कर पाएंगे, फिर वो बिजनेस मॉडलिंग को आप लैंड पे ले आओगे, दैट इज द बायोटेक पार्क, फिर उसमें आपको मतलब पैसे लगाने होंगे तो वेंचर फंडिंग मैकेनिज्म्स as well as incentive mechanisms. So there is a logic in creation of these six pillars. Okay. At the same, sir, sorry.
Mic નજીક રાખ.
માઇક નજીક રાખ.
તમે ફંડ કેવી રીતે પ્રોવાઈડ કરો? એનો કોઈ પ્લાન કરી?
Sorry. पर ये कितना इनोवेटिव हो, तो इट इज वन ऑफ द कंपोनेंट. ओके, बट इज देयर डुएबिलिटी? ओके, ये कर सकते हैं ऐसा लग रहा है, करने जैसा है कि नहीं है, टेक्नो कमर्शियल फीजिबिलिटी है कि नहीं, जो टीम इन्होंने प्रपोज किया है उसमें वो एबिलिटी है कि नहीं है, एबिलिटी है कि नहीं है। अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने कुछ ऐसा सोचा है कि मैं बायोप्लास्टिक का चद्दर बनाऊं, और सारे माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट है, इसमें कोई मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर नहीं है, मतलब एम्प्लॉय रख लूंगा एक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, लेकिन ऐसा एम्प्लॉय स्पेशली जब आपका है तो आप बैठे हो, लेकिन यार 40 मिनट हो गया तो कितना टाइम लग रहा है ये डेंटिस्ट। अब डेंटिस्ट को भी चाहिए कि अगर ये टर्न अराउंड फास्ट हो जाए, जैसे कैटरैक्ट का ऑपरेशन तुमने सुना होगा कि 10 मिनट में ऑपरेशन होता है एक्चुअली। अब ये मैं कुछ मतलब एक शंकर नेत्रालय नाम का जो एक असेंबली लाइन, दे वेयर द प्रोफाउंडर्स, दे आर द पायोनियर्स इन दिस। तो उसमें कैसे होता है, पेशेंट लाइन से जो है बेड पे रखे लेटे हुए हैं, एक डॉक्टर आएगा सीधा इंसिजन मारेगा, टक 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 करता जाएगा, पीछे दूसरा आएगा जो दूसरा काम करते हुए जाएगा, आउट चाले से। और कहां से लोग जो है ढूंढ के गुजराता रहे, હવે આવામાં આપણા ગુજરાતના લોકો રહી જાય છે અને તો એટલા માટે આ તો જાતે है, लेकिन बाद में this is also equally competitive, okay, but competition is about what we shared session technology driven areas. US data says that 95% of startups fail in just 2 years. Okay, क्योंकि क्या है ये फॉर्म, मतलब मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो लोग काम में आ जाए, वो आपकी आउटर तो मैं ना प्लीज पढ़ के पढ़ा रहा हूँ मैं यार छोड़ रहा हूँ तो ऑर्डर करेंगे, उनको भी ये बता देता हूँ कि lot of startups fail in first 2 years. Of those who survive the first 2 years, another 95%. I mean, I understand that your facility is coming up, but we do not encourage students coming up for their dissertation. Okay. हमने ये रूल बनाया कि students are welcome. They can come use our facilities free of cost, provided it has an entrepreneurial idea into it. Okay, if they are working towards an entrepreneurial idea, okay, then they are students, teachers, anyone can come and use this idea. Okay, but addressing to one more point, and that is there are some local problems, there are local resources. Forest as a resource बताया, okay, agricultural resources which is groundnut इधर ही होता है और कहीं है ही नहीं। तो इसके लिए हम लोग जो है 2 दिन इधर डेरा डाल करके सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को मिलके जो कर रहे हैं कि भाई याद कर तू मेरा भाईबंद, तूने एक बार बोला था तेरी मदद करूंगा, तो आज ही वो दिन है। ओके, आज ही जो है हमको जरूरत पड़ेगा, इधर एक देखो मेरा कॉलेज है, इधर के बच्चों को हेल्प करना है, ऐसा सब। तो मैं जो है इधर हम लोग 3 दिन से 4 दिन से जो है मतलब जो अलग अलग मीटिंग्स कर रहा हूँ, मैं इसीलिए कर रहा हूँ कि इधर के एक एरिया में एक सिनर्जी सबका मिला पाए। तो जेयू के साथ करके आए, एनआरसीजी जो डीजीआर हो गया, तो उसके साथ मीटिंग किया, इसके साथ कर रहे हैं और यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ मिल करके कि आओ सब इधर मिल करके, एटलीस्ट इधर जो लोग हैं हम लोग मिल करके बैठते हैं, इधर के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं और इधर मैंने क्या बोला, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं। जो सोल्यूशन देगा वही तो एंटरप्रेन्योर होता है, क्योंकि अगर सोल्यूशन किफायती हो, टेक्नोलॉजिकली एडवांसिंग हो, तब जाकर के बात पैसे की करनी ही नहीं है। पहला भाई તમારું काम થાય છે કે નહીં એ જુઓ। This is our good way of giving solutions. Okay, કે ભાઈ પૈસા જોઈએ પછી कौन सा तुम देखोगे गुजराती बिजनेसमैन, यू नो, सी दिस इज द एसेंस कि तुम्हारा काम हो जाता है कि नहीं देख लो, उसके बाद वो खुशी से टिप भी देके जाएगा, उतना ही। तो ये जो है इफ वी आर एबल टू एड्रेस दिस थिंग एंड इफ वी आर एबल टू एड्रेस सॉल्यूशन,
we will definitely approach to, and whatever willingness from life sciences is possible, we will definitely do from your side also. You just tell us, guide us what all things can be done over this university for creating a hub for all these students as well as for the whole region. We will definitely do for that, for creating a hub or for creating the entrepreneurship from the ideas of the students. Fantastic.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have no words to thank you, sir. because you give me so much energy and the new visions regarding, especially that recently that our newcomers, that means the new juniors are come here and they know that we are here. So it's a very good information for entrepreneurs, and that our backbones is our research students. That more than 15 students are here, so they are also thinking about okay, we can also go for these treks. And I'm also thankful to your team for giving the chance to here, and also thankful to that our universities, vice chancellor and registrars for giving me the basic facilities, and obviously that the new researchers here in Texas. We know that some of the faces are very energetic. If you provide them the problem, they can also solve. उनको अभी घर नहीं जाना, उनको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके जाना है. Okay, so thank you very much to all of you, and now I will request to Suhas sir to give me the.
જી સર, હું રાજ્ય સરકારના વિજ્ઞાન અને પ્રૌદ્યોગિકી વિભાગ એટલે કે ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ ઓફ સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજીથી આવ્યો છું, અને એની વિવિધ સંસ્થાઓ પૈકી એક જે ટેકનોલોજી ક્ષેત્રના સ્ટાર્ટઅપ્સના ઉછેર માટે સાવલી વડોદરા પાસે એક સાવલી ટેકનોલોજી એન્ડ બિઝનેસ ઇન્ક્યુબેટરના નામની સંસ્થાનો નિયામક તરીકે ફરજ બજાવું છું. સાવલી વડોદરા પાસે આપણા સાવલી બાયોટેક પાર્ક, સાવલી ઇન્ક્યુબેટર, આ રીતે સંસ્થાઓ આપણે વિકસાવી રહ્યા છે. તો તેવા સંજોગોમાં આજે જુનાગઢ અમરેલી પંથકમાં અમે લોકો જે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ ટેકનોલોજી ક્ષેત્રે કામ કરી અને જે લોકલ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ છે કે ગ્લોબલ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ છે એના સોલ્યુશન્સ માટે જે કાર્ય કરવા માગતા હોય અને એના માટે ઉદ્યોગ સાહસિકતાના સ્વરૂપે, સ્ટાર્ટઅપના સ્વરૂપે જે કોઈ સોલ્યુશન પ્રોવાઈડ કરવા માગતા હોય તો એ લોકોના પ્રોત્સાહન અર્થે અમે લોકો અહીંયા આજે ભક્ત કવિ નરસિંહ મહેતા યુનિવર્સિટીમાં આવ્યા હતા અને વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અને અહીંના અધ્યાપકો સાથે ગોષ્ઠી અને ચર્ચા કરી હતી. એ જ રીતે અમે જે ગ્રાઉન્ડનટ રિસર્ચ સ્ટેશન છે કે એનઆરસીજી અને હવે ડિરેક્ટરેટ ઓફ ગ્રાઉન્ડનટ રિસર્ચના નામે ઓળખાય છે, જુનાગઢ એગ્રી યુનિવર્સિટી, આ તમામ સંસ્થાઓ કે એક ડૉક્ટર સુભાષ યુનિવર્સિટી, આ તમામ સાથે અમે અને ચર્ચાઓ કરી કેવી રીતના એકબીજાના સ્ટ્રેન્થ્સથી સિનર્જીઝ એક્સપ્લોર કરી શકાય તે માટે અમે ચર્ચાઓ કરી રહ્યા છીએ. અને આ ક્ષેત્રમાં અમને એવું લાગે છે કે ઉદ્યોગ સાહસિકતાને પ્રેરવા માટે એક હબની જરૂર છે અને તે માટે લીડરશિપ લેવા પણ લોકો તૈયાર છે, અને તેવા સમયે અહીંયા સારું એવું કામ કરવાની જરૂર લાગે છે. તે અર્થે અમે આવ્યા હતા અને બહુ જ સારો પ્રતિસાદ મળી રહ્યો છે. સાભાર.